Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I am Alex if you're new here, and I hope that you subscribe. Just want to do a little quick morning chat with you guys. I got some PR packages that I still cannot believe I got. I'm really excited to show you guys. I also have some filming to do today. I'm going to lunch with my friend, and then me and Caesar have a little movie date tonight, which I'm so excited. He got us tickets to see The Little Mermaid. I'm just gonna cry and sing the whole time. I'm so excited. How are you guys doing? I miss you so much. I feel like I haven't vlogged like this in a while. I feel like a little bit of a disconnect with YouTube. YouTube was literally my first love, like social media platform love. I miss it so much, but there's also some times where I just feel so discouraged with it. So I'm bringing it back, and I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna pick up the camera, I'm just gonna vlog and see how it goes. Just gonna let things flow. So technically, even though I haven't been really gone, I just feel like I'm finally coming back. I made a strawberry banana smoothie. It's super simple. I just put strawberries, bananas, almond milk, chia seeds. That's it. That's literally 4 ingredients. That's all I put in here, and I like it. It's super simple. But yeah, I would love to know what kind of content you guys want to see. I'm so excited about this weekend. It is the long Memorial weekend, so I don't work Monday, and that is really exciting because Mondays are one of my busiest days. That's the little mini chat kind of update I have for you guys right now. I'm gonna start working from home. But yeah, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It'll be right here. So I will update you very soon. To get ready for the day, I got this set of headband and these little scrunchies for my arms so that water doesn't run down. I thought this was going to be a little bit more sturdy, but it still does the job. So I'm gonna go in with my unseen sunscreen. I literally wear this all day. I don't do much for my morning routine. I don't really wash my face. I just kind of rinse my face because I wash it at night. The vitamin C serum that I use is the Trader Joe's one. I don't know if it's hot a difference. And then I'm gonna do my hair. It is going to be 12 right now. I am doing some filming, and literally it's just a mess in here. Look at all the packages around me, and then I have my brushes on this little air filter thing. I filmed some packages unboxing kind of TikToks, but I have so many other ones to do, and then I have a couple paid ones that I need to do too. But those will have to wait because I have to leave in 25 minutes literally. I'm just gonna try and film one, a little get ready kind of video. But I gave you guys a little sneak peek of what I was filming for TikTok and stuff. I want to incorporate more of that stuff. I think you'll like it. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you like it. No idea why I forgot my water, but I have a lot going on right now. I'm clearly rushing everywhere. I will link everything that I put on my face, the Rare Beauty tinted moisturizer. My lip color is one of the lip oils from Rare Beauty. We're gonna get Chinese food, so I'm really excited. We don't have crazy plans this weekend, but I'm just so grateful. I'm so at peace right now. I just feel so genuinely good, and I'm just so happy. Also, I love this flannel. This is from the men's section from Forever 21. I got a bunch of clothes secondhand. I hauled literally everything that I kept in my TikTok, so definitely check it out. Again, I'm just gonna keep plugging my TikTok. I'm sorry if it becomes annoying, but I'm just gonna keep doing it because I literally post so much content on there. Let's go. We got Chinese food, fried rice. We already ate our pot stickers.
here until Norm.
Hello, it is much later. The lighting is so good right now, so I'm going to take advantage in order to do a PR haul. I am so grateful for literally every single thing. I had a moment of crying yesterday because sometimes I just feel like, who am I to deserve all this? So many of my beautiful content creator friends literally were telling me how much I deserve all this. Those are the reminders that I feel like I needed, because it's such a pinch me moment. I'm not doing this to brag, I just genuinely want to share with you guys. I don't really do PR hauls. This is like my first one. But if you want to see more of it, give this video a thumbs up so that I can keep doing these. I did go out with my friend, came back home, we had Chinese food, and then we stopped by Starbucks and I got a matcha. My friend did get me a little gift, which was so sweet, so I will show you guys. This is, I guess, like my birthday gift. She's so sweet. I see her like once or twice a year and it's always like so fun catching up with her. She got me this little t-shirt, which is so cute. I love the lace, I think it's adorable. She got me these little hair clips, so cute. I actually don't have anything like this. I am so excited to use this and figure out how to style my hair with these. She also got me this lipstick, which I already opened and tried, because she told me that it's this color that it looks like clear gloss, but it literally changed into red when I put it on my lips, and I thought that was so cool. She also added in here a pink clay mud mask, a caffeine and retinol under eye mask. She added some press-on nails, which I'm so excited about. Press-on nails are just so much easier than going to the nail salon, and obviously it's much cheaper. So she got these. I think these are cute, clear and white tips, and then these are purple, which I love. She also added some of these Ferrero's hazelnut chocolates. I love these so much. And some Sour Patch Kids. I'm so grateful for her gift. Okay, we're gonna start with the little PR packages. So first, I got a package from Primarily Pure. It let me pick out some things, and I love, I genuinely love when brands write out a note. I think that's just so special. So they wrote me a little note, which I thought was really cute. I picked out the clarifying serum, then I picked out the dry shampoo, also the nature spray, which I think is for mosquitoes, which I need, and then I picked out a lavender deodorant. I could not believe this when I saw this. I was like, what? Lavender is my favorite thing. I literally say that all the time. All of these products are cruelty free and everything, so I'm so excited to try. All clean and everything, so I'm so excited and so grateful for it. Today I just got a little mini package from a brand called Stoic Beauty Skincare. They reached out to me to see if I wanted to try one of their products. Picked out the ultralight hydrating oil serum for sensitive skin. My go-to serum has been the one from Trader Joe's, so I'm excited to try this and see how it does, how my skin reacts to it. By the brand Spaluxetique. This is the box, and yes, it is lavender. I picked out the shower set. They do have a bath set, but I honestly do not take baths. But it came with these little packets of the different scents they have. Got the step 1, step 2, and step 3 10-minute quick shower gel set. Do have a discount code if you want $5 off. If you guys want to use my link, it'll be linked in the description box. If you just use my name at checkout, you'll have $5 off. This brand called Buffy sent me some press-on nails, and I am so excited because when I saw these, I literally was so shocked at how good, amazing they look. They sent these, which are just classic. This is the Flower Power. So cute, so pretty, different colors. This other package that I have, I was so surprised because I wasn't expecting this one. They sent me all these goodies, and I could not believe it. I was literally tearing up when I saw this because I was like, wait, I always watched the YouTube videos of people YouTubers that I watched all the time opening PR packages, and I feel like I am in that spot right now, and that's crazy to me. There's Sparkle Liner Trio that looks like this. Palette full of beautiful colors, and the packaging is so beautiful. This is lip powder and lip glow, different shades, and then some of their illuminating powders. And let me just show you. So this is the one that I opened up. This is the illuminating powder and fluorescent rose, and look at this. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. This PR package is so special to me. I just want to reference back to literally like 2 vlogs ago where I was saying how if you have yet to try Rare Beauty, like I highly recommend, like my absolute favorite brand, my dream brand to work with. I got this in the mail. They did in fact send me PR. I literally like I had a whole crying session yesterday. I just cannot believe that this came here in my name. So let me show you what's in here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So it first came with the "Thank you for being a positive light" little paper. What a beauty. She's a queen. And this is to promote their Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer, which I actually am wearing right now. I tried this on for today. This is the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick, and this is in the shade Power Boost. So I'm excited to try this one because I did buy myself a bronzer stick from Rare Beauty, but I feel like I got the wrong shade because I feel like I should have gotten like a darker one. And then they also added some postcards. They each say "You are a positive light," and then on the back you can write and send it to somebody with a little clip, and it's so cute. I don't know how many are in here, but I'm definitely gonna use these and send it to people. I love writing letters and writing cards to my friends. This is my first Rare Beauty PR package. I just can't believe it. I've literally stared at this ever since I got it. So this is what it looks like. I went to school for design, so I did some like design packaging classes, and I love all of the marketing packaging stuff that Rare Beauty does. Like, top tier. I really love it. So this is what it looks like. You open it like this, and there's the tinted moisturizer product. I believe I'm the shade 22W. Wow, it looks so beautiful. This is the other side, which is this one. It looks like this. Literally incredible. And then on the side it has a little flap so you can open it. It has a little bucket hat. I think it's kind of cute. It has the logo right there. I definitely put it on wrong, but that ends my PR haul. Again, I'm literally so grateful for all this. I cannot thank you enough if you keep up with my videos, if you are subscribed to me, if you like my videos, if you support me, if you comment, like if you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, everything like literally means the world to me. I'm gonna get ready for the movies now. Since Caesar takes longer to get ready, I'm gonna do a little quick outfit of the night. Wearing this cropped super soft sweater. I actually don't even know where this is from. My necklace is from Shop Through Tone, and then my bag is from Pom Pom London. I love this because it has a little space, so I've been using this a lot, especially when I have to take my vlog camera. And then I'm just wearing my black Lululemon leggings and then my white Nike Air Forces. I added the lip oil that my friend gave me. This is the Pout Potion by LA Colors. This is my favorite movie theater ever because of this and the seats. I love the seats so much.
You get garlic fries too.
Yes. Ranch. And they literally deliver it to your seat.
Chocolate cake? I see it.
It would have been there though.
No, it's all frozen. They got rid of it. You want donut bites or chocolate chip?
Sure. It doesn't matter. You pick.
I want to go soft.
Okay. We are back. I'm gonna get ready for bed while I chat with you guys. I recently got this, which is the e.l.f. Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm Holy Hydration, and it looks like this. It says it's supposed to melt your makeup. I honestly don't even know how much I'm supposed to do, but I do have like a full face of makeup. I did it the other day. I feel like it did well overall with my face, but I don't feel like it did very well with my eyeshadow. That's why I want to keep trying it out. Also, I didn't try too hard with the eyes because I want to be careful and not like, I don't know, I don't want it to have that reaction to my eyes. This is supposed to be better because not all makeup is supposed to like be removed with micellar water. That's what TikTok has told me. My skin looks really good, like in terms of like reactions. Like I haven't had any bad reaction to this, and it has hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and peptides. so far so good. I just did all my mouth stuff and then I also took out my contacts. This is literally like my 3rd or 4th bottle at this point. It's just the organic argan oil from Trader Joe's and I just love it so much. Go in with the Argyle line solution 10%, but it just looks like this, and I'll have everything linked in the description box. And then one thing I have added into my routine recently is this Fenty Skin. This is the Rich Peptide Eye Cream. After trying out this product, I really am curious to know what like the body creams or like hand creams feel like, because I honestly love how soft like my under eyes feel and like how hydrating they feel after I use this every single night. One thing I don't like about this product is like the twist. So you have to twist it right here in order for the product to come out, and I do not like it because sometimes it gets stuck. It mainly always gets stuck. I did realize that I forgot to talk about the movie in general. I highly recommend watching it. It was really cute. I just felt so nostalgic like watching especially like the singing portions, like Under the Sea, Kiss the Girl, and like the songs. I feel like Flounder could have looked more like Flounder. He didn't look like I thought he would look. It was kind of different. But Sebastian and the bird, I forgot his name, but Sebastian was so funny. I loved Sebastian so much. But yeah, overall I really did like the movie. I thought it was really cute. Let me know if you did watch it, what you thought about it, or if you're planning to watch it. Let me know in the comments. I would love to know. So I will see you tomorrow. Good morning. I have been up for a little bit already. We already had breakfast. These are made banana pancakes and they were so yummy. I am going to finally clean up my mess that I have. I am tired because I actually went to sleep super late. I still have my first like original TikTok, and that's like my true FYP, and they always get me with the dogs, the Spanish content, like everything. Let's work the magic. Let's clean this up. It is much later. I forgot you here in the apartment, so I didn't take you with me. I'm sorry. I left off with like cleaning up and stuff with you guys, but then I was just editing some TikToks. I posted, and then look what I did. I put my little Rare Beauty PR here on my desk. I put it here as a little decor, so I took my books out. I think it looks beautiful. I'm obsessed. I love it so much. I haven't updated you in a while, but my current read is We Were Liars. I actually borrowed this from one of my friends, Jasmine. I started reading this, and this is gonna be one of the books I really want to finish like this June. We just went over to eat at my parents for lunch, so we were there for a while, which was really nice. My mom cooked some delicious arroz verde and huancaina, and it was bomb. 10 out of 10 Peruvian food if you haven't tried it. Stopped by Walgreens, and I just picked up like a few essential things that I needed. Picked up this because mine was officially too old. This is the Hydro Silk trim style. This is like a trimmer and a razor in one. I picked up these like little headbands because I've been wanting these for so long. Just like simple headbands. I just got my women's multivitamin here if you want to read all those things that it has. I think we're gonna go help our friends like paint, so I'm just gonna change into something comfortable and lazy. That is what we're gonna do. I think I'm so tired. Look at my hands. It's 8 p.m. This is the actual color because this is all like primer. Yeah. That's a pretty color. That is a pretty color. We're helping our friends, by the way.